with that, we would like to start with the introduction of our company by playing a video of our company primer. Ma'am Tin?
Vibrant. Vibrancy is a concept that is deeply ingrained in the building and construction industry, evoking progress, growth, and innovation. We are Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, drawing inspiration from this dynamic spirit. The founders of Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated set out to revolutionize the construction industry with a bold vision and a commitment to harnessing the power of technology in construction. Since our inception in 1999, Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, also known as VTS, has been relentlessly and effectively channeling opportunities to our customers to grow and succeed. We are the sole reseller of Tekla Solutions by Trimble since year 2000. As the sole reseller of Tekla Solutions by Trimble, VTS offers a comprehensive range of cutting-edge products and services to the building and construction industry. Our solutions include Tekla Structures, Tekla TANs, Tekla PowerFab, Tekla EPM, Tekla Structural Designer, SketchUp Pro, and Trimble Connect. We also provide solutions for enhanced project visualization through augmented and mixed reality. Our solution for AR and MR includes XR10 with HoloLens 2 and Trimble Connect AR. VTS is the only authorized training and Tekla Professional Certification Center in the Philippines. In addition, we also provide linear construction material optimization solutions. We offer Raiden Systems, CP Manager, and AutoNest so that construction leaders can optimize their material usage, minimize waste, and streamline their production processes. Overall, we are entrusted by Trimble Inc. with the sales, marketing, business development, and technical support across Trimble's building solutions portfolio. We are one of the leaders of this technology. We at VTS believe that customer engagement and enjoyment are just as important as delivering top quality solutions. We take pride in channeling opportunities and in fostering a strong sense of community amongst our clients. At the heart of our business, we place a strong emphasis on cultivating meaningful relationships with both our existing and new clients. Our commitment to customer service is unwavering, and we take pride in providing easy to approach local support that is always reliable and transparent. Our goal is that when people think of Tekla Solutions, they immediately think of VTS, a trusted partner and industry leader that is dedicated to helping our customers achieve their goals and reach new heights of success. Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, channeling opportunities. Tekla Solutions by Trimble. Still different, but always better.
All right, and that's the short primer for our company. Allow me now to introduce our speaker, Ma'am Christine. Please flash your first slide as I introduce you. So, thank you very much again for being with us this morning. We're going to be doing this webinar, and the title of our webinar is Designing Smarter, leveraging Tekla Structural Designer for residential and commercial building projects. It's my pleasure to introduce our speaker, Engineer Christine Tungol from Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated. With over 10 years of experience in the construction technology industry, Christine brings a wealth of expertise from technical roles to her current position as a sales account manager. Her unique blend of hands on technical knowledge and a client focused insight makes her the ideal guide to showcase how Tekla Structural Designer can save time and money in the delivery of projects for residential and commercial buildings. So please join me in giving a warm welcome to Christine as she shares her expertise with us today. Tin?
Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to Designing Smarter, leveraging Techless Structural Designer for residential and commercial building projects. So, I'm Christine, and today I'm excited to share how Techless Structural Designer empowers you to lead the future of structural engineering in the Philippines. So isn't just a software, but it's a game changer for creating resilient, efficient, and profitable design. So let's dive into how TSD can elevate your projects and your firm's reputation. So here's our roadmap for the next 30 minutes. So we'll explore the future of structural engineering in the Philippines, introduce Tekla Structural Designer, and dive into its key features for the local projects. And then we'll showcase some success stories in residential and commercial design. So it highlights its role in the sustainability and resilience and demonstrate its premium value through ROI. And finally, we'll discuss why TSD is your path to industry leadership, followed by the Q&A. So let's get started. So the future for the structural engineering in the Philippines. So the Philippines construction industry are now booming. So it values around $65.5 billion in 2023 with over 7% growth projected through the year 2028. But with this opportunity comes challenges, especially we're designing for typhoons and earthquake resilience, navigating urban density, and etc. So, what is Tekla Structural Designer, by the way? So, Tekla Structural Designer is developed by Trimble. It is a BIM-powered software that integrates structural analysis and design in a single intuitive platform. Unlike traditional tools requiring separate analysis and design workflows, TSD streamlines the process with a unified model, supporting steel, concrete, timber, aluminum, masonry. So whether you're designing a residential tower or a commercial complex, TSD automates calculations and deliver precise, code-compliant results. So it is built to handle the complexity of the Philippine projects from seismic loads to intricate geometries, making it a must-have for forwarding thinking engineers. So TSD is a solution for faster, more efficient projects deliveries regardless of the material. So this is how the software goes beyond traditional engineering tools, allowing you to create data-rich model that streamline structural analysis and easily adapt to changes. With automatic report updates and instant change management, you'll save time and reduce manual work. So you can also quickly compare multiple design schemes, helping you find a cost-effective options for your client in a minute. Plus, with the support for a wide range of international design codes, TSD ensures every project meets global standards. So why does TSD matter to you? So as industry leaders, you face unique challenges, of course. We ensure structures withstand of typhoons and earthquake, and we have to meet the tight project deadlines and staying competitive in a growing market. So TSD delivers a precise seismic and wind loading analysis aligned with NSCP standards, streamline complex designs for the urban settings. And also, it positions your firm as a BIM pioneer. So by adopting TSD, you're not just improving workflows, but you're elevating your reputation, winning high-value contracts, and shaping safer communities across the Philippines. So here's a short video for a Tekla structural designer. So Tekla structural designer is the revolutionary software that empowers engineers to analyze and design building efficiently and profitably. So in just 5 minutes, so we'll show you how it transforms your workflow. In TSD, it is also a fully automated BIM tool pack with unique features for optimize your concrete and steel design. So from quick scheme comparison to seamless collaborations. So it helps the engineering business win more works and maximize your profit. So, in the video, nandito po is pwede natin i-optimize yung ating design based doon sa materials na kailangan po nila sa project. So, pwede tayo ditong mag-combine ng steel and timber, concrete and steel, steel and timber, precast, and then as well as po, if you're designing your trusses, so meron na po tayo ditong truss wizard na available inside TSD. So you just have to select na lang po yung shape ng ating truss. And then at the same time, yung loading natin is madali lang siyang i-apply both gravity and lateral loadings. Kasi meron na po tayo ditong mga wizards, especially sa wind, sa seismic, and if ever na magkaroon po ng snow sa Philippines, so magagamit na rin po natin si TSD. And then at the same time, yung spectral map is already included na doon sa loob ng system. And then as you can see po, marami tayong type dito ng loadings na pwede nating ma-apply sa loob ni TSD. So whether po meron kayong mga machine loads, equipment loads, so kung nasa architectural plan na po yun, iti-trace nyo na lang yung load na yon. And then, from there po, doon sa ating wind load is input-based na lang natin lahat ng parameters sa wind as long as yung ating load cases and combinations. Then, once na ma-decompose na yung ating wind, so makikita na natin agad yung pressure doon sa model. So, magkakaroon na tayo dito ng idea kung ano ba yung may mataas na impact doon ng wind doon sa ating structure. And then, once po na done na tayo doon sa wind, you can simply input agad yung ating mga seismic loadings. So same doon po sa way ng paglalagay ng wind. So input lang din natin yung mga parameters sa wind. And then generate lang po yung ating load cases and combinations sa seismic. So makikita na po natin agad or hindi na tayo mag-recreate pa ng mga combinations. So automatic generated na siya. And then in just one click, so i-run nyo lang po yung design. And then from there, makakapag-review na po kayo nung output for the design if the member is pass, fail, and warning. And then if your client po is nag-request for the value engineering, magkakaroon po kayo ng view for the utilization ratio or demand capacity ratio. And then you can review po yung output natin for the analysis, kung tama ba yung behavior ng mga structural members natin based sa loadings. And then at the same time, yung shear, torsion, moment, deflection diagram is makikita na natin agad doon po sa 3D model. And if upon investigation, kailangan nyo po ng additional na reinforcement sa isang specific beam lang, so pwede po kayong maglagay ng patches para to satisfy yung code requirements. And sa loob po ni TSD is meron tayong tinatawag na beam interactive design na kung saan pwede po natin siyang i-manipulate yung count ng rebars at saka size po ng rebars. So doon po sa design ni TSD for the rebar, cutting list na po yung ibibigay niya based doon sa commercial length na gusto nating i-design. Kung 12 meters po ba, 9 meters, or 6 meter. And the advantage of TSD is meron agad siyang foundation design na hindi niyo na po kailangan i-export yung structural members doon sa ibang software na nagde-design sa foundation. So kay TSD, madedesign niyo na po agad yung foundation. One is yung structural superstructure is done na po. Ayan. So meron tayo ditong pad base, pile cup, strip base wall at saka mat po. And then if needed po na mag-design kayo ng mat and pile, pwede nyo rin pong gawin dito sa loob ni TSD. And sa foundation po, meron siyang generated na reports and drawings po na nakalink na sa AutoCAD. And then at the same time, you can customize po yung report natin based doon sa kung ano yung preference na gusto nating ipakita or ipasa for the permitting. Ayan. Okay. So in summary of the key outputs generated po by Tekla Structural Designer, so it is a powerful tool designed to streamline the work of the structural engineers while aligning with the regulatory and documentation requirements. So on the left po, we begin with the structural calculation that can be automatically generated by the software. So this can be exported po sa PDF, Word, Excel, or Tekla text format. To ensure po yung clarity and transparency in structural design justification. So these documents are essentially when submitting to regulatory bodies for compliance and approval. So from this calculation, we produce engineering drawings, accurate to scale the XF files that form the technical foundation for both detailing and approval. So these are particularly useful during permitting. So you can submit po yung ating mga drawings directly na po sa mga local governments natin. So they already accepting na rin po itong mga calculation and engineering drawings na generate po sa loob ni Tekla Structural Designer. And then moving further po, so we link to the drawings using tools like AutoCAD. So this include structural plans, sections, and details formatted to align with the standard submission requirements for the building permits and technical reviews. Ayan. So finally, TSD supports the creation of the intelligent BIM model, so which can be exported to Autodesk Revit or sa Tekla structures, and then these models promote interdisciplinary coordination and improve constructively. So for the government offices, so this ensures that what's approved on the paper align with what's built in the field. So in summary, all outputs from the calculation to BIM are consolidated as part of the contract documents formally submitted by the structural engineer. So making TSD a reliable tool for compliance, documentation, and streamlined review process. And then for the experts like you, so efficiency and precisions are non-negotiable. But in TSD, it delivers both. So it reduces design time by 15 to 25% by automating analysis and design in a single model. So this eliminates manual data transfer, cutting errors significantly, real-time collaboration with Trimble Connect to ensure the architects, engineer, and contractors are aligned. So even the across the Philippine archipelago. So the result, so faster project delivery, fewer revisions, and higher profitability. That gives your firm a competitive edge in a demanding market. Okay? So now let's explore TSD impact on commercial project. So using TSD, engineers model complex geometries and analyze high wind loads, ensuring structural stability without compromising aesthetic. Also, BIM integration allowed seamless collaborations with the architects delivering the project on time, and enhancing the firm's reputation. So TSD's ability to handle intricate design make it a go-to solution for high-profile commercial projects that define our skylines. So sustainability and resilience are critical in our typhoon and earthquake-prone country. So TSD enables early-stage carbon footprint analysis, so it optimizes material use for the green certification. So this one is vital for the project like cultural center or public buildings. So it a robust seismic wind load analysis that ensures the design that meets NECP standards and protecting lives and investment. So for instance, a recent project optimized concrete use. So it cuts the emission by 15%. So with TSD, you're not just building structures, but you're creating sustainable, resilient communities withstands our unique challenges. But why we have to invest in TSD? So the ROI is undeniable. So some firms report that 15 to 25% faster design cycle that saves a week on the project. It also optimizes material cut costs by up to 10% as seen in the major steel project. Faster delivery attracts premium clients like those in PPP infrastructure deals, boosting revenues, and TSD BIM leadership position your firm to secure high-value contracts in a $65 billion market. So with the local support and training, TSD transformative impact justifies its cost. So delivering payback with a 6 to 12 months and a lasting competitive edge. So the collaboration is the key in our complex project, especially across the Philippine archipelago. So TSD integrates with the Trimble Connect. So Trimble Connect is enabling real-time model sharing among architects, engineers, and contractors. So for example, a firm is streamlining a commercial project that cutting coordination time by 20%. So thanks to TSD beam integration. So whether you're in Manila or Cebu or Davao or outside the Philippines, so TSD ensure everyone stay aligned to reduce errors and delay. So this seamless collaboration empowers your team to deliver large-scale projects with precision and no matter the distance. So Trimble Connect is a powerful cloud-based solution that serves a common data environment or CDE. So for your all project information, it offers real-time access, instant data sharing, and supports over 70 industry file types like IFC, RVT, DWG, and PDF. So today, we'll dive into its core feature, model and document management, real-time collaboration, and field access, and see how it streamlines the construction workflows. So these slides, it centralized storage for 2D drawings, 3D BIM models, and project documents. So it keeps everything in one place with automated version control. So every stakeholder from architects to contractors, it always has the latest information. So the platforms also lets you visually compare versions so you can track changes easily. Plus, it integrate the markup tools allow precise feedback on design, streamlining communication. So this ensures everyone on the same page, reducing errors and rework. So Trimble connects excel at real-time collaboration. So as shown here, you can instantly share models, drawings, and documents with your teams with no delays. So the platform issues and task tracking features create stream line workflows for problem solving. So the issue are resolved quickly. Activity feeds keep everyone updated with notifications on project progress, and granular permissions ensure that the data security by giving role-based access. So this time, connectivity keeps project moving smoothly no matter how complex. And then finally, so let's look at how Trimble connects empower teams in the field. So this slide can show you on how to access the project data anywhere, online or offline, via iOS or Android devices. So on site, workers can view complex 3D models and 2D drawings, ensuring that they have the right information at the right fingertips. So you can capture issues on the spot with the geotag photos, notes, or voice memos, which is a huge time saver. And when you're back online, everything syncs automatically to the cloud. So this mobile access bridges the gap between office and field, boosting efficiency. So, but why structural leaders choose TSD? So, as structural leaders, you can set the standard for excellence. So, TSD positions your firm as BIM innovator, distinguishing you in a competitive market. So, it supports modernized engineering education, preparing the next generation for the BIM-driven future. So, most importantly, TSD enhances safety and resilience, protecting Philippine communities from natural disasters. And also, a leading engineer recently said that TSD transformed our workflow, making us faster and more reliable. So, by choosing TSD, you're not just adopting the software, but you're leading the industry toward a smarter, safer future. Okay? And then you might be thinking, what about the cost or the learning curve of TSD? So TSD addresses these concerns head on. So flexible licenses options make it accessible for small and large firm. So BTS provides hand-on training and support tailored to the Philippines' need. So by the investing in TSD, you're not just buying a software, but you're gaining a partner to elevate your firm's capabilities with scalable solutions that deliver immediate and long-term value. Ayan. And then getting started with TSD is easy. So these are the some of the customers that are using TSD. So they have developer, consultants, and mostly private companies and LGUs are now adopting Tekla Structural Designer. So getting started with TSD is easy. So it's available through Trimble website. Sorry, with local support, which is us, the VTS. So we support right here in the Philippines. So whether you're upgrading your firm's capabilities or training your teams, TSD local support ensures a seamless adoption process, empowering you to start delivering smarter design immediately. And then the future of the structural engineering is here. So driven by AI, BIM mandates, and disaster resilience. So TSD is ready for this future with regular updates to meet the local and global standard, including the NSCP. So imagine a Philippines where every building is designed with precision, sustainability, and resilience powered by TSD. So by adopting it now, you're positioning your firm or your company at the forefront of this transformation, wherein you're leading the industry toward a smarter, safer, and more sustainable built environment. So now is the time to act. So you can schedule with us a TSD demo so to see the power in action. So you can also lead the industry by adopting TSD to win a high value contracts and deliver world-class project. So don't just keep up with the future, but you need to shape it with Tekla Structural Designer. So let's build a smarter Philippines together. So Tekla Structural Designer is a transformed structural engineering with automation. So BIM integration and resilience focused design, so it delivers 15 to 25% faster workflows, unmatched precisions, and sustainable solution that tailors to our typhoon-prone region. So with the proven ROI and local support, TSD empowers your firm to lead in the $65 billion Philippines construction market. So let's embrace TSD to deliver safer, smarter, and more profitable projects. So thank you everyone. So if you have questions, you can ask us or me.
I guess that would be all, Christine. Thank you very much for the presentation, and we'd like to thank everyone again for sharing this time this morning with us. Maraming salamat po. Please stay tuned to more webinars. We're doing different webinars, 1 to 2 webinars every month, and you can always subscribe dun sa mga webinar na yon. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you everyone. Have a nice day po.